Yes, so this is Android TV stick and it has 8K ultra high definition and also Google Assistant. So the Google Assistant allows you to input voice command instead of typing on a smart TV. You know how difficult it is to type on a smart TV. So with this device, you can convert your old digital TV to a smart or Android TV once the TV has HDMI port. It's very easy to set it up. So we are going to unbox this and then we set it up. Yes, so we have this, and the manual. So this is the remote. This is the device itself. A Type-C USB cable, an HDMI cable. This is called HDMI female, male and female. And this is the remote receiver. So what we are going to do is we will have to connect the Type-C port to the Fire Stick here. It also has a USB cable, so in case you have movies or music files on your pen drive that you want to play, you can easily stick it here and then play it on your TV. So you're going to stick the USB to the USB ports at the back of your TV. I'll show you where it is. This will power the Fire Stick. Most of the time, the TVs, they have bulky back, and if you're unable to plug this directly into your HDMI cable, you can stick it here. Then it will give you this port to connect to the back of your TV HDMI port to make it very easy to connect. So this is the remote receiver, this. So you're going to look for the port, IR, and then stick it in. So once you do that, you can release this, and then you let this face where you'll be sitting most of the time so that you can easily point your remote to it and then control your device. So you have to insert 2 batteries. Unfortunately, they didn't give us battery, so you have to insert 2 batteries. I'll do that and then set it up. So let's go to the TV side and then set it up. So this is the back of my TV. This is the HDMI port. So you can stick it to any of the HDMI ports. I use the HDMI port 1. So this is the tip of the USB cable that will connect the Fire Stick to. So I'll connect the Fire Stick to this port. And then also, this is the USB port that I've connected the power source to. So this is what is going to power the Fire Stick or the Android stick. So I'll connect it to the power. Then I'll connect this one to the HDMI port. So once I do that, the last thing to do is to connect the IR for the remote control, remote receiver, to the IR port. Then I will leave it to face where I'm sitting. So it comes with a sticker that you can stick to the wall or to any spot that you want, but I prefer to leave it hanging like this. Let's hop on the TV screen. Then I will take you through how to set it up. Yeah, so depending on the TV you are using, go to source on your remote. I connected the TV stick to HDMI port 1. So select the port that you connected your stick to and then select it. This is the home page of the Fire Stick or the Android TV stick. I would like to walk you through how to activate the Google Assistant so that you can use voice command to operate your device instead of typing everything. So to do that, on the remote control, you're going to click on the microphone. So once you click on the microphone, you'll be directed to this interface where it will guide you to set it up. So here what you see is press and hold the left and right on the remote control. So this is the left and right. You're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. And then the remote control will be connected successfully. So now that it's connected successfully, you can try to press and hold the microphone and issue command and see if it will work. So I've pressed on the microphone and it's loading. So if you are not signing in, it will ask you to sign in. So I'm going to use assistant without signing in just for this tutorial. Then I'll press on the microphone again. So the notification I'm getting is I can't reach internet right now. Check your modem or Wi-Fi. So this takes us to how to connect your Fire Stick to a Wi-Fi. So to do that, all you do is to navigate to your settings. It's showing at the top right corner. So you select settings, you scroll through and then select network and internet. So here you have the list of all the internet available. So you just select the one that belongs to you or the one that you want to connect to. Then you input your password to connect. So I'm going to input my password real quick. Connected successfully. So this is how to connect your Fire Stick to internet. So now that we are connected, we can go back to using the Google Assistant. So I'll press on the microphone icon on the remote again. Now it says, how can I help you? So now that we are connected to the internet, I'm going to press and hold the microphone and give it command. Then we see what will happen. What is the time? So what I said is written here. And then I'll get it on the screen, as well as getting the voice output as well. So with this, you can give the remote command and then it will execute the command for you. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Yeah, so it will open the YouTube app for you. I think this is pretty easy to set up. If you have any challenge, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.